Hi, I'm Dr. Lucien Ouellette, the physician here for OrthoVirginia in our new Farmville office. I want to take this chance to kind of show you around the new space. So here we're in our waiting room for both the clinical practice, the walk-in clinic, and for physical therapy. So all our patients check in this same space. Come on over here. If you're doing physical therapy, we will bring you into this larger space, which is equipped for everything we need to do for the full rehabilitation of all of our patients. Our walk-in patients are seen over and through these exam rooms over here. Where we have the capability to find your x-rays and MRIs or CT scans, so we really can perform everything we need to do pretty much in these rooms. Some of the casting and other things needs to happen in a different space. So we have room for a couple of providers here. One of our providers would work in this space, the front of the building. In the middle, we do have digital x-ray. It goes right into the computer system and we're able to x-ray pretty much everything that we need. There are some higher level films that we can't quite get here, and CT scan or MRI would have to be done in a different facility, but all of the plain films can be done through this area here. We have casting capabilities. So if you already have a cast and we need to remove it, or we're putting on a new cast or splint, it likely would be done in this space here. Blood work for certain labs, including PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. And then our other provider would work down in this space with a similar setup of examination rooms and just computers for paperwork. We do have ultrasound we use the ultrasound for diagnostics, so to look at tendons or if there are injections that are particularly challenging, we can use the ultrasound to help us guide and make sure that we're putting the injection where we need it to be. So around through here, we're in the backside of physical therapy. So trying to get everything under one roof. Make it easy shopping for the patient. So we're thrilled to be here in Farmville, and we hope you stay healthy, but if you have an injury, we'd be happy to help you out. Just swing on by and we'll see what we can do to get you back on your feet.